I really think it's awesome, truly awesome. You guys keep boasting online every day, saying no power loss, no stalling, no choking. Then show us this real and effective data to look at, and then talk about how you have no power loss, no stalling, no choking. Also, many people are visiting our product now, so we made this real and effective data, which is very intuitive. We want them to see exactly where our difference lies, not just blindly testing and thinking they can find the same thing as me. The set on the car is equipped with an electric pull wire with a total of 10 adjustable gears. Press and hold for 1.5 seconds to fully open. Press and hold for 1.5 seconds to fully close, regardless of whether you are halfway open or not. Press and hold, it can fully open and fully close with adjustable segments. This is the electric pull wire version on our car, priced at $1,400 for the low end. If you want the manual door switch pull wire, that's $1,200 fully cut off. There is also 1,400 and 1,600 versions, which are basically upgraded versions of our new model. Then there is one priced between $1,800 to $2,000, where we equipped it with a titanium alloy front section. Got it? Lastly, the point everyone is most concerned about. What did we mainly upgrade this time? The overall horsepower and data, both development and official, were fully upgraded. Also, we upgraded one more thing, its sound. Because the previous version I felt it was still quite loud. But our longtime buyers kept complaining that it wasn't loud enough, not explosive enough. So this time after upgrading it, its sound is even louder than the boss's exhaust and more resonant. When you ride in the mountains, it sounds like you're racing on a track, no difference. It can be that explosive, but fortunately it has a valve, and when we close it, horsepower is exactly the same as the factory, not affecting any of your riding. You can ride freely without having to control the RPM below a certain level. You ride however you want, and this is the coolest feature.